Kim Jo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today is 29 July, Wednesday, and I did not vlog anything yesterday, and I didn't upload anything because I didn't have time. Like I was really busy in my in notes and all because there was lot of pending work to be done, so I couldn't do that. So yeah, sorry for that. So the thing is, we crossed 100 subscribers on the channel, and I'm so freaking excited. Like I have a clip where I just refreshed, and from it it was from evening. It was 90 in the morning until the evening on 27th we crossed 100, until night it became 100. Like did my 10 subscribers I got, and it became 100. So I'm gonna put that footage of me getting 100 subscribers and then running down to my dad and mom. बट मैंने मॉम का रिएक्शन नहीं लिया बिकॉज वो कट हो गया. लाइक तो आई डोंट नो, लाइक एक्साइटेड में मैंने स्टॉप कर दिया वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग या समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो आई एम गोना रोल दैट. एंड उसके बाद वी सेलिब्रेटेड माई डैड्स बर्थडे एंड 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स येस्टरडे. सो माई डैड्स बर्थडे वॉज ऑन 6th जुलाई. बट तब बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट लॉकडाउन था जब जैसा अभी है. तो I couldn't get cake back then. Then abhi there's this guy who stays nearby. His name is Harsh, and he makes really nice cake. Like he and his friend Tanish, they both make cakes. So they have this thing, like unka IG page bhi hai, which I will put in the description box below. And I'm just sleepy, sorry. And uske baad, so my mom had asked him to make the chocolate cake. So and it was really really yummy. I'll put the picture here, and it looks yum, right? It was so delicious. And uske baad we celebrated that, and yeah. तो ये 2 दिन का मेरे को अपडेट देना था. एंड उसके बाद आई वांटेड टू टॉक अबाउट समथिंग, like there's going to be a change in the channel, so I want to talk about that. But before that, let's roll in the clips. You guys, you guys are the best people. Oh my god. My current subscribers is 98 subscribers right now. Oh my god. 100 subscribers. We freaking crossed 100 subscribers. Mama! Ma! YouTube पे 100 subscribers थे क्यों?
अरे very good. Very good.
Mama! We are celebrating my dad's birthday, and he has no idea about it. I'm whispering because he's right in the next room and he has no idea. So we got him cake. हाँ हाँ
सुधरी आखा દિવસમાં સુધરી.
હાય કયો હાય.
હાય બેટા.
બેટા શું વ્લોગ છે પપ્પા? યુટ્યુબમાં જાય પપ્પા.
ઓહ,
હિરલ નથી આમાં, બધામાં હિરલ ના હોય.
એ મારી બેટી જ છે.
અરે મમ્મી મુખ કરે પર. He didn't see. This is the cake. It's really really looks tasty and it smells yum. I'm dying to eat it. And my voice is gone. I don't know why and how. So it is his. Mama, कितना वर्ष पूरा क्या? पापा ने 60? 62. So it was a 62nd birthday on 6th of July, but we could not do anything because of lockdown. I couldn't get a cake. So then we decided to do it now. Cake is ready and I'm gonna call dad. Papa?
તારા બર્થડે નો કેક
बहुत जल्दी आए वो.
ત્યારે બધું મમ્મી તારી શેકું તો હમણાં કરાવડાય બનાવે ઘરમાં ચલ કા
चलिए
हाँ तो कट करो रखो. ઉલટું છે.
છે ને એટલે
एक सेकेंड. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
May God bless you.
આમ કોણ ખવડાવે?
May God bless
એ મારું પણ 100 સબસ્ક્રાઇબર્સ હું પણ કરીશ.
હા Happy birthday 400 subscriber. Happy birthday 400 subscriber. બંધ કરું.
So yeah, that happened and I look stupid. So the thing I wanted to talk about is I thought like instead of daily vlogging, I'm gonna do this thing like in a week, 2 days I'm gonna do something different, like one on Sundays and Thursdays. So it is going to be something like Fun Day Sunday and Talkative Thursdays. To all the mostly sane lovers and mostly sane fans, it's not like I'm copying her. I love her and she's the reason I'm on YouTube. She is the first reason I started doing YouTube. I love her. I'm inspired from her. Like she's like my true inspiration. So whoever is thinking like unka Royal Talk Tuesday hai, I'm keeping Talkative Thursdays. So yeah, I got that idea from her channel and I'm just a fan trying to do something she is. I mean, I'm not as good as her. I mean, I'm not even a person in front of her, not at all. But then, yeah, I'm not actually copying, but maybe I am. I don't know. You guys can decide that. So, yeah. So the thing is, Fun Day Sunday will be something where I will be doing some fun challenges and fun pranks with my friends and my family. I'm just waiting for Hero's quarantine to get over. Uske baad I have list of challenges to do with her. Like there are so many challenges that we both can really do. So I'm just waiting कि उसका quarantine खत्म हो जाए. उसके बाद there are going to be many challenges on the Sundays. The Sundays are going to be fun, so it's like Fun Day Sunday. I don't know if that makes sense. And then Talkative Thursdays. Talkative Thursday is basically where we will come together. We will come together and discuss about something and anything, everything. Like you guys can tell me in the comments if there is something you really want to discuss. Yeah, something you want to know about me, about my life, yeah, anything like that. So we can talk about that on Thursdays, like every Thursdays. But this thing I will start doing it from next Thursday, and I mean this Sunday. So Kalka Thursday it would be the same. It would be the same, but from next Thursdays those things will start. Like Talkative Thursday, like hashtag Talkative Thursday, if that make the hashtag. So yeah, let's I'm not a morning person. So yeah, so So these are the things that I want to tell you, and that the channel will be changing. Like there will be this update, not a change though. तो आई थॉट कि डेली व्लॉगिंग से कुछ नया करते हैं. तो डेली व्लॉगिंग तो होगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू पोस्ट ओनली 2 days. आई विल बी डूइंग मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे, बट ओनली संडेज एंड थर्सडेज वुड बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल डेज, दैट इज़ मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे फ्राइडे सैटरडे. या सो ये 5 दिन तो नॉर्मल व्लॉगिंग होगा ही. सिर्फ ये 2 दिन पे आई थॉट लेट्स डू समथिंग डिफरेंट. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video, that is tomorrow. And if you want me to do Talking to Thursdays from tomorrow, then let me know in the comment sections. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay home, stay safe, be hamesha. Bye.